Welcome to this long layered creative men's haircut done by global educator Alessandro Barca. Within this haircutting tutorial, Alessandro is going to be breaking down how you can work with head shape and hair texture, getting the most out of the length when working with thick Asian hair, creating lots of movement and texture, and some visual disconnection as well. The layering technique that Alessandro is going to be used starts with a center profile guide, 1 finger's depth in the center of the head at the back. He's then elevating everything up above the occipital bone, maximum elevation, and working a square cutting line at the top of the shape. He's then going to continue working down the cutting line, elevating everything completely straight up into that square shape at the top of the head. Again, so everything that works down into the bottom of the head is getting over directed further and further in towards that top cutting line. As we work round the head shape, we should see the hair falling out towards the edge of the shape and less hair being cut off. As we work around the side area, it's important to stay committed to the shape and the technique and trust the process, not leaving any thick, heavy areas out towards the bottom of the head. Really make sure you're elevating everything up into the length that you've cut and take away what's necessary. Alessandro is now going to focus on the external shape, working through the bottom of the head. We don't want to lose too much length, but we do want to refresh it and almost make it look like it hasn't been cut still, but give it some distinct texturizing through the bottom. So the last thing we want to do is bring it down and cut it into a straight line, as it will make it look too clean and too neat. So it's going to be working with some slicing with the Black Edition leaf scissor, working with the V of the scissor and slowly slicing the scissor down, just working through the last third of the hair, just to bring the length up a little bit, refresh it, but still keep it very deconstructed in terms of the shape and look. Once the back external length has been cut, we can now focus on the side areas through the temple region, which is going to start incorporating some shape through the face area around the cheekbone. Alessandro is working a backward diagonal section, working from the side of the climb with the small teeth of the comb for lots of control, and then going to be working with the leaf razor to increase texture and movement and just start to sculpt out the shape through the front. Alessandro is now going to be focusing on more of the internal shape and weight removal through these side panels, as the length on the external is sitting beautifully, but it's still sitting quite heavy and flat. So we want to really enhance that movement. The way that we're going to do that is by bringing everything up completely from the head shape and again cutting a square line, similar to what we did through the back of the head on that internal shape. He's then going to pivot forward with his sections, becoming more diagonal forward as he works from the back of the ear into the front temple area. Once the internal layers are done through the side, we're now moving into the top zone, which is going to be the final internal layering that we're going to be doing on this haircut. We're going to be taking away all of that heaviness on that point where the corner is sitting on the top of the head. Alessandro is opting for a square shape again through the top zone, which will allow him to really flatten and compact that shape whilst removing that corner of weight at the top. This will allow him to then have a more playful length through the front area, which he can really shape visually at the end of the haircut to really bring the whole haircut to life and personalize it. Let's now focus on working that square shape from the front into the back, or the back to the front, whichever is more comfortable for you. And you can see that we're working with the points of the scissor to again enhance as much movement and texture as possible on the wet shape. Again, he's going to opt now for the leaf razor, which is going to allow him to create a very heavily textured and undone feel to the external shape through the front. We want this to be very personalized and we want it to shape and look good on this particular climb. So choice of length is essential to work around the eye area. Alessandro doesn't want to create something that's too short or even too chunky through the front area, where it will sit up above the eyebrows. You want it to come forward and sit over the face for that kind of grungy, emo-y feel for this type of haircut. We've really got the most out of the movement and the texture through the ends of the hair and really got a very head-hugging shape through the top, which is sitting very flat and compact with the round and square shapes internally. We can see the razor through the edges has given us that really distinct texturized finish. Overall, we have this really cool personalized take on a long length men's wolf cut, which is based around fundamental layering internally and more of a playful finish on the external. We thank you for watching this tutorial and we hope to see you on the next one.